It is lash day today. I happened to be in Sunyani last weekend for a gig and I decided to do my lashes at a friend's place. I arrived there around 11. Yeah, I said hi to her.
So
Becca
we're
is
gonna be
really, really good
prepping.
at doing lashes. Yeah, she actually taught me makeup whilst
She's
on
come to
campus.
hi
She's
to
a
my
really, really
TikTok.
good person. Yeah, I love the way she's
We don't
friendly and
know.
she's bubbly. So
Period.
here we created some contents, then she started with what she knows best. Like when I say that she's really, really good, I mean she's really, really good. So if you're watching me from Sunyani, please do well to pass by. I'll link her page in the caption. Yeah. So within a short period of time, in less than an hour and 30 minutes, she was almost done with my lashes. Now, this was so beautiful. At this point, she was done and enjoy the transition that is coming up.
I am fully aware of what y'all say about me. Number one, and I don't give a fuck.
Like God, keep it a stack. Bitches move walk cause they know I
So at this point, she was pampering me. I mean, I love pampering. It was so beautiful. I was so obsessed.
Oh wow, that is so nice. Oh, I wanna look at it. Hi guys. Oh my gosh. Me my lash tag. So guys, we're done with the lashes. She is my lash tech. She's located in Sunyani. Please.
I'm showing them breasts.
Yes, she has everything. She's talented. She's a makeup artist. Please, if you follow me,
Come to me.
if you follow my page and you're in Sunyani, please, I'll drop a number on the screen. Call her.
Hey, number drop here. I'm a woo.
Okay, you just DM me.
Done.
Yeah. And I'll tag her page too. Thank you so much. Period.
Yeah, so at this point, I was done and I was doing some snaps and I decided to leave. And she was doing makeup and she was caught unaware. Yeah, so this is me. Thank you for watching. Bye.